The ingredients are place the chicken thighs in a clean container and add in the mixture. With your clean hands, rub the mixture to the chicken. Then cover. Keep in the fridge for an hour or overnight. Preheat the oven at around 190 to 200 degrees Celsius and set to intense baking for around 5 minutes. Place the chicken in a baking tray and put it in the oven. After 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the oven. Flip it to the other side. And put it back to the oven for another 20 minutes. After 40 minutes, our chicken is cooked and ready to serve. Presenting our Filipino barbecue roasted chicken. Thanks for watching.